Hey Sueh gang, how you all doing? So today we'll be making chewy cookies and I have the ingredients with me here. So let's get right into the video. So here are the ingredients I'll be using. Half a cup of melted butter, then 2 dark eggs. By the way, if you'd want to buy dark eggs, kindly you can tell me down on the comments. Moving forward, this is brown sugar and the normal sugar, totaling up to a quarter cup of sugar. You can add sugar if you like more sugar. 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence. Then there is a half a cup of milk, but in place of milk, you can decide to use 100 grams of semi-sweet chocolate. I used 1¼ cups of all-purpose flour, but you can mix it with bread flour. Then the other one, there is a baking soda on the side. Then lastly, I have pieces of dark chocolate. So now let's start the mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together the sugars, butter until a paste forms with no lumps. Add in the eggs. I used 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk. Then add in the vanilla extract and mix everything together. I added 1 teaspoon of coffee granules to enhance the chocolate flavor. Sift in the flour and baking soda, then fold the mixture with a spatula. Be careful not to overmix, which will cause the gluten in the flour to toughen, resulting in cakier cookies. Add in the milk and continue mixing. Fold in the chocolate chunks, then chill the dough for at least 30 minutes. For a more intense toffee-like flavor and deeper color, you can chill the dough overnight. The longer the dough rests, the more complex the flavor will be. Scoop the dough with an ice cream scoop or whatever you have onto a parchment paper lined baking sheet, leaving at least 4 inches of space between the cookies and 2 inches of space from the edges of the pan so that the cookies can spread evenly. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges have started to barely brown. At this point, they were ready and my house was smelling like a bakery. Cool completely before serving. For more easy and amazing recipes, kindly click the subscribe button, like, share and comment. Bye! We shall try again tomorrow.